Good morning, guys. How are you today? Fine. Today we will continue our lesson. It's about a circle. We will finish exercise 1, then we will do exercise 2. Let's start. Exercise 1, part B. We said yesterday, how do we find the radius and the diameter here? We said that radius, you have to study this one. Radius is the half of a diameter with diameter who 2 times the radius. So if the diameter is given d, we have to make what? Divide by 2. Why by 2? Because the diameter cuts the circle in 2 equal parts, so divided by 2. If the radius is given, we have to multiply by 2. So diameter is given d, we have to make divide by 2. Study it like this, d divide. If the radius is given, we have to multiply by 2 in order to know the diameter. Diameter equals 7. 7 divided by 2. Half of 7. What is the half of 7? It's a 3.5. 3.5 centimeter. The 3 and 3 give us 6. So half of half, it will be 7. 18 times 2, how much? 36. So here, 36 centimeter. You have to write the unit. Centimeter, 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 centimeter. Now d is given. D, we have to make divide by 2. 24 divided by 2, it's how much? It's 12 unit millimeter. Okay, so just study this one. Diameter who 2 times the radius, والradius who half of a diameter. Half means divided by 2. Now let's do question 2, the second page. Please copy it on your math book. Place point A and B on the circle C so that AB is the diameter of the circle. What do I mean by diameter? Did you remember? We said it before that diameter is a segment. I will show you now definition of diameter. Diameter, we said it before, it's a segment that cuts the circle in 2 equal parts and it passes through the origin or the center of a circle. So diameter, this one is the diameter. هذا segment AB هو diameter. So when I want to draw a diameter, it should pass through the origin, cuts the circle in 2 equal parts. So diameter AB segment, it has 2 endpoints, AUB, cuts the circle in 2 equal parts, passes through the origin or the center of a circle. Why it has to pass through? Because if I draw it like this, if it doesn't pass through the center, then it's not a diameter. It should pass through the center of a circle. Okay, so let's now go again to exercise 2 and draw this diameter of a circle. So now I will draw this diameter that cuts the circle in 2 equal parts, okay? Cuts the circle in 2 equal parts and passes through the center O. Okay. Right. So, how do we draw a diameter? It should pass through the center O. It should pass through the center. And it cuts the circle in 2 equal parts. So, draw it using a ruler, okay, please? A, B. So this segment passes through the center O, passes through the center O, cuts the circle into 2 equal parts. Okay, so we call it what? Diameter. We can draw it vertically like this. And we place A up, B down. We can draw it like this. We can draw it like this. All of them are correct. Okay, so أهم شيء إنه هو passes through the center O. لازم يكون straight هو, but here there is no ruler. So passes through the center O, cuts the circle in 2 points A and B. cuts the circle in two equal parts. Okay, this one is a diameter. We can draw it horizontally, vertically, oblique. كلهم صح. المهم pass through the center of. Measure the radius and the diameter. Use a ruler. Put the graduated ruler here. 0 at A, then till B. It's how much? All of it. It's 4. طيب ال AB هو diameter. So D اللي هو الدياميتر هو symbol الدياميتر. D how much? 4. Radius هو from where? From O. It starts from O till here. هيدا الشقف اللي هو البارت من الدياميتر هو الراديوس. Okay. This one, it's 2. This one it's 2. All of it 4. معناتها الراديوس how much 2 سنتيمتر لأنه هو half of a diameter. Okay. Diameter هو all of it it's 4 if you measure it using a ruler. But part of it هو radius. It measures how much? It measures 2. It's the half of a diameter. Okay. So you can draw it anywhere. You can draw it horizontally, vertically, but it should pass through the center. أو هيدي أهم شيء. The most important thing for the diameter is to pass through the center of a circle. Okay. So later we will do in the Zoom period question 3. Okay, guys. If you have any question, ask me later. Bye bye. See you.